Bonjour à tous, comment allez-vous? J'espère que tout va bien. Today we are going to learn about the future proche tense, which is a really basic and basically it's the simplest tense that we have in this language course. So without wasting any further time, let's get started with the learning. So, future proche is also known as near future or immediate future, which is basically the things that are going to take place in the future but after a very short time, and which can be few minutes, few seconds, a few hours, or even one day. So all of these signs, these four slangs, are indicating the usage of future proche in any sort of sentence, passage, comprehension, dialogue, or any other monologue also. So what is the formation? Now, to form this future proche sentence, we have to first revise the ale verb. So the ale verb, there are two sections. First is the singular one and the second is the plural one. So, as you know the conjugation, it is je vais, tu vas, il va, elle va. And the plural is nous allons, vous allez, ils vont, elles vont. So to take care, let me remind you one more thing, that over here when we are pronouncing the word ILS or ELLES, it is not pronounced as ills. It will be pronounced as singular ill, but it will be conjugated according to the conjugation list, like ils vont, elles vont, il va, elle va. So you can take the screenshot of this table or note it down somewhere else to make sure that you remember this, and it is really important to learn this table, the conjugation of ale verb, to further move ahead with the formation of the sentence with future proche. So now we are going to look at how the formation of the sentence containing future proche takes place. So it is really simple. First we have to put the pronom sujet, aller verb, et l'infinitive form ou l'objet. So first we are going to put the pronom sujet, which are je, tu, il, elle, nous, vous, il, elle. Then we are going to put the ale verb according to the pronom sujet, and we have just done the conjugation of the ale verb, as you can see over here once again. So after this we are going to put the full verb which is given in the bracket, or the word that you want to use. Like if you want to use the verb regarder, so then je is the pronom sujet. Ale verb, with je we use vais, so je vais regarder un film. I will watch a film. And there are some examples, like je vais au cinéma. Over here je is the pronoun subject, vais is the verb. So sorry, there is some typo error, but make sure it is not some pronoun sujet. It is ale verb conjugation, and then we have au cinéma, which is the object in the sentence. Now next we have bientôt la marche va commencer. And over here I'm really sorry, once again there is again the typo error, but please focus on the main text, which is bientôt la marche va commencer. Over here there is no particular pronoun sujet like je, tu, il, elle. Over here we are using the word le match. So the word le match, it is always conjugated with il or el. So over here we can see that in the sentence bientôt la marche va commencer, le word, it indicates that the match word is masculine, and if you see the categories of il and el, il is the masculine form for singular objects. So we will go with the conjugation of il va. So accordingly we have put over here bientôt la marche va commencer. Va is the verb that we used with the as the conjugation of il, and then the full verb, which is commencer. I hope that's clear. So let's begin with the next slide. So here are some important expressions that if you find these expressions in the sentence anywhere in the comprehension, fill in the blanks, or anywhere, if you see these expressions, just put future proche. That's it. You don't need to check the meaning of the sentence. And just imagine a situation where you are not able to comprehend the meaning of the sentence, maybe due to your vocabulary or any other purpose. So if you see these expressions which are really important, you can just simply put future proche over there, which are dans l'instant, which means in an instant, dans une ou deux secondes, in 1 or 2 seconds, dans quelques minutes, in some minutes, bientôt, soon, aujourd'hui, today, ce matin, this morning, cet après-midi, this afternoon, ce soir, this evening, cette nuit, this night. Over here, I would like to point out the fifth expression, which is aujourd'hui, which means today. It is a really important word because if you see this word anywhere in the sentence, it may confuse you a bit because aujourd'hui is used with mostly all of the tenses which are like future intérieur, passé composé, future proche, bien sûr, et future antérieur, et tous les temps. So you have to be a bit careful when this word is in the sentence, but if you have just the future proche in your subject, then you are quite lucky. So note it down somewhere, or maybe you can take a screenshot. Alright, let's begin with the next slide. So next we have a few exercises over here. So first we have the sentence dans l'instant on la confirmation. So over here, as you can see, that we have the word dans l'instant, which we just marked in the previous slides. Wherever you see this word, it means that you are going to put a future proche in the blank. So let's see what the answer it is going to be for the first example. So as we can see over here, the word on is used. So wherever we see on, we conjugate it with the expression, the pronoun sujet, il ou elle. So over here we can see that O is indicating the usage of il, or we can use elle. So as we know that we are going to put the word according to the conjugation, the verb, and then we are going to put the full infinitive verb. So you have 5 seconds to note down your answer. Alright, let's go to the next question. Now we have je la magie dans quelques minutes ou secondes. There is a typo error. It should be S right over here. Anyways, we have the question, that is je la magie dans quelques minutes ou secondes. I, the Maggie, in some minutes or seconds. So over here we see the usage of quelques minutes ou secondes. And as we studied in the previous slides, the use of these expressions indicates the usage of future proche. So of course our answer will be in the conjugation of future proche. And we see that we have je over here, and with je in the aller verb we have v, and then we are going with the full verb. So you have again 5 seconds to note down your answers. D'accord, maintenant on va voir la question numéro 3. Alors, aujourd'hui, oui, je, du proviseur. So it translates to today, I, yesterday, oui, je is known as yesterday, du proviseur. So today yesterday from my professor, my teacher, or whatever. So as you can see, again we have aujourd'hui. Alors quand vous êtes allé voir aujourd'hui, le mot aujourd'hui, dans une syntaxe, vous êtes allé choisir le futur proche. So over here also we will put the answer according to future proche. So if we see that there is je over here, so we will do the conjugation of je according to future proche, and accordingly we will put the answer over here. And demander, it is going to be the full verb as I told you. So you have 5 seconds to write down your answers. Alright, let's look the next question, and that is the fourth one. Ce matin, je prends la croissant. So ce matin, which means this morning, je prendre means take, and le croissant is, as you know, it is a really famous dish of France, especially Paris. So it translates to this morning, I, prendre means take, so this morning I, and of course it is future proche, so it will the whole sentence will transform to this morning I will take the croissant. I will take the croissant, it means like I will have the croissant for the breakfast basically. So as you know, je is over here, so again over here we use the je conjugation. Over here also we can use the je conjugation, and then je, then we are going to add the verbs according to future proche, and then the infinitive form of the verb given in the bracket, which is prendre. So prendre is a re verb, and then we're going to put this exactly right over here with the conjugations. So you have 5 seconds again for this question. So here are the answers for all of the exercises, which is for the first one we have va, je crois, because then we're gonna go with the va conjugation, which is basically the il and l conjugation, and then along with the full verb given in the brackets. Second question we have je, so we did the conjugation of ve, and accordingly we put the verb given in the brackets as it is, like the infinitive form. Next we have the third question, in which we have the je conjugation, so we put up way accordingly, because je is always followed by v as we did in the previous slides, and then accordingly the infinitive form of the verb given in the brackets. For the fourth question, we have je conjugation once again. So je, with way we use it, and the word given in the brackets, we're going to put it as it is in the infinitive form. So these are the answers for some of the questions, and that's all for right now. And if you want more exercises on a future Proche, do let me know in the comment sections. And if you enjoyed the video, it was pretty much helpful, do hit the like button, and if you're new to the channel, please subscribe. So that's all for now. Au revoir.